Hello, this is an explanation video for Tuesday, December 21st. You want to scroll down here to Unit 4. Click on Module 14, Review. Come to Day 2, December 21st. Come to the sync folder. So the first thing we're going to do is sign up for a speaking test. So click here again. And so you'll see that today, Tuesday, you have a few slots available. So you write your name here, depending on what time you want. And then there are some times available on Wednesday as well. Okay, so just select what time you want. These slots from Monday are already filled, so we won't make those available. Yeah, you can click on Tuesday or Wednesday. All right, also in the sync folder, while I'm doing speaking tests, you will independently work in groups. Click on Intro, Information, and Yes, No questions. So this gives you information about how to form an information question. Here's the grammar that explains how to make those questions. So slide 2 can help you with the rest, with the next few slides. It'll help you to answer the questions. So slide 3, you need to identify the 4 parts of each question. Based on the information in slide 2, here are the 4 parts. Here you have to decide what are the 4 parts for each of these questions. Slide 4, you decide, are these in the right order? Where do you live? Are those words in the right order? Come to slide 2 for help. Then what word is missing? Complete the question. So each of these is missing an auxiliary verb. Come to slide 2 for a list of auxiliary verbs. Do, does, did, will. These can all help you answer the questions on slide 5. Also here, each sentence has a different word missing. Some have a question word missing, some have an auxiliary word missing, some have a verb missing. Come to slide 2 for help answering those questions as well. Now on slide 7, we have the grammar for a yes/no question. Pay attention to this. It gives you the 3 parts: auxiliary, subject, and verb. Slide 8, you can look at these questions and identify the 3 parts based on the information in slide 7. Slide 9, you have to find the auxiliary verb that fits. Look at slide 7 for help. A list of auxiliary verbs: do, does, did, can, will. And then slide 10, look at these pictures. For each picture, try to make 1 or 2 questions about the picture, right? For example, I look at this one here. I wonder, where are these people going? That's my information question. So try making information questions and yes/no questions for these. That is the final activity for this slide about information and yes/no questions. Here for the one word activities, we'll pick up where we left off last time. Okay, so you're trying to get closer to writing the essay and submitting a first draft. After I send you the revisions, you will rewrite it and submit the final copy to me. That is the final sync activity for today. Let's look at the async. So we have a Nearpod. This is a grammar review from units 1 through 4. That means it's all the grammar we've learned since the beginning of the semester. Enter your name, go through all these slides. Gerunds and infinitives, remember that? So here's a quick review, answer a question. So go through all these, read the review, do the questions. Okay, this is a very good review of what we've learned in grammar. Also for today, we have a Mel My English Lab. We're doing these 2 from Unit 2. Evaluate interview do's and don'ts 1, evaluate interview do's and don'ts 2. So look for the assignment that looks like this. So that is all for today, Tuesday, December 21st. Thank you so much for listening and best of luck.